All right, so how do we access the online textbook? So we're going to talk about this a little bit and then how to use the basics of it. So for the online textbook, what you do is you click on the online textbook portion. It takes you to this access point here. And then what it tells you is you're going to need your FCPS network credentials to get in. And so you click right here on Magruder's American Government. It opens up and it asks you to type it in, which I have already done. So I'm going to skip that step, but you type it in, you click log in, and then it takes you to a page that looks like this. And I'm clicking Magruder's American Government. At that point, it opens up and we're using this green book here. And then what part of the book do we need? Well, at that point, we can go all the way back to course materials to see that Unit 1, Folder 1 requires Topic 1, Lesson 1, Lesson 2, and Lesson 4. It doesn't require Lesson 3. Just like Unit 1, Folder 2 does require 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, and 2.4. So what you're going to do is, to access the book, you're going to click Topic 1. You are going to then go to Lesson 1 because you needed Topic 1, Lesson 1. And then you can go back and click Topic 1, Lesson 2. You're going to skip Lesson 3 because it doesn't say you have to read it unless you just really want to learn about the origins of the modern democratic state. Then, you live your best life. And then you're going to do Lesson 4. When you click on this, it jumps you to the text, and then you just go to Text 1. Text 2 is the state. Text 3 has states arose. Text 4, what governments do. You need to read all of that for Lesson 1. Let's go here. It always open to the window. And what's convenient about this is that it takes you to the first page, but if you click back, then you are actually at the page that has the vocabulary. All right? So this is what we are doing. Once you've looked through the vocabulary, you can then click through all the pages. You could go through and read this section, and this takes you to through Lesson 1, Topic 1. And at that point, if you keep going, it'll actually take you to Topic 1, Lesson 2, which you need to read next. It's just important that you make sure you skip through Lesson 3 because it wasn't actually assigned. And once again, Topic 2, Lesson 2, if we go to that first page, has the vocabulary that you would need. Keep in mind, if you would like the book to read out loud to you, you can do that by clicking here, and then the book will read out loud to you. All right, that's kind of an overview of your textbook, but make sure that you are looking at what is the actual requirement so that you don't do all of the reading. So for Unit Folder 1, it is Topic 1, Lessons 1, 2, and 4. For 2, it's 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, and 2.4, so Topic 2 and Lesson 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for 3, it is only Topic 3, Lesson 1, and Lesson 2, because 3 and 4 are actually for Folder 4. So please pay attention to what the actual assigned reading is. Good luck to you, and let me know if you have any questions.